So, we're supposedly gonna go green now, right? And we're gonna start taking care of the environment better now, right? And yet, I hear nothing from the Biden administration speaking against fireworks and saying how people are going to be charged with crimes against the planet if they keep making the fireworks or get caught firing them off. It's a form of cloud seeding that causes dangerous tornadoes and hurricanes and lightning storms that destroy people's livelihoods, their houses, and even their lives. So, when are we going to do something about this shit show, huh? If I ever actually hear a so-called president speak against fireworks, then and only then will I believe that that administration wants us to go green, and not 1 second before then.